So let us talk about philosophy. Please note that the source material that I am using for this video is an introduction to Indian philosophy by Satischandra Chatterjee and Dhirendramohan Datta. And I will also be adding the picture of this book by the end of this video. So you can buy it or you can order it from Amazon or any bookstore near you. So, the chapter 1 general introduction. What is the nature of philosophy? So, when we look at human existence in general, we cannot find the means and ends to this particular discipline because it has been existence since the birth of the Homo sapiens, I guess, even before that, even when our race was called the Neanderthals. And man has been using this superior gift of his intellect to understand the conditions and meanings of his struggles, to devise plans, instruments, and to ensure his success. So, philosophy has been a source of our curiosity and the desire to learn about why we are born and what this world is all about. Our desire for knowledge actually springs from the rational nature of our existence, of our being. And philosophy is a very sincere attempt to satisfy this very reasonable desire we all are incorporated with. It is just not a luxury for us, it is actually a necessity for the humanity to know who we are and to know where we have come from and where we are going. So, I would like to quote Aldous Huxley from the first chapter itself, that the choice is given to us not between some kind of metaphysics and no metaphysics. It is always between a good metaphysics and a bad metaphysics. Let's drop down to the etymological understanding of what philosophy is. And etymological understanding means, breaking down the word and dropping down to the meaning of exactly the meaning of the word. So, philosophy is what? Philosophy means simple love for knowledge, love for wisdom. And we are constantly in a search, constantly trying to reason out with our human mind. And philosophy's main aim is to reach out to the knowledge of the truth, and it is termed in the Indian literature as the vision every Indian school holds in its own way, that there can be a direct realization of truth, tattva-darshan, as it is written in the Manu Samhita, that a man of realization becomes free, one who lacks it is entangled in the world. And this nature of our curiosity, now we understand the discipline of philosophy from the perspective of trying to know who we are or where we have come from. We have gone into more the aesthetic part of it, and I will be talking about it in the next part of this video. But the very reason, the very existence of philosophy, divided this curiosity into different disciplines. The humanity came up with botany, chemistry, physics, psychology, mathematics, literature, arts, and these all were, all these subjects that we study today in our schools or in our colleges, they all are a source of one thing, and that is this very primal search for which began with our the very beginning of our civilization, the search for the truth, the search for the tattva darshan, the search for who we are and why we are born here and what are we born in. And this born in the sense that what are we born into, this planet, this existence, this environment that we see, what is it exactly? This is the question that we are constantly asking ourselves. And this is the reason why the entire education system came into existence. And that is the reason why it is important for every individual to read about philosophy, to know philosophy. Because philosophy is the main reason why we even started the education system, we even started with it in the very first place. So yeah, thank you for listening to this first part of the video, and please like, share and subscribe, and you can watch the next part of this video, which will be addressed as part 2 of what is philosophy. Thank you and see you. Bye.